Okay everyone, so here's a video on how you can make your iPhone never turn off automatically. Now, you should know that there are like two ways how you can make your iPhone turn off automatically. Sorry for the background noise, but I'm traveling, so the video is a little bit on the go. Anyway, your iPhone can turn off for two reasons. Like, of course, you can run out of the battery, or your iPhone just enters the timeout mode. So, of course, if your battery is at like 0%, you can see mine is at like 74, so it's gonna last for a while. So if you want to prevent iPhone turning off because of the battery issues, well, I don't think that you can do anything about that. However, if you want to make sure that your iPhone doesn't turn off just because 5 minutes have passed, you need to enable or customize the feature called auto lock. So you have to go to the settings like this, and what I want you to click on is the display and brightness section. And if you scroll down a bit more, you can see the auto lock feature, and there's the option to have it set to multiple different times or time frames. The biggest one is just 5 minutes, which in my opinion is not enough at all. I would like to have it at like at least 10 minutes, because on the iPad right here, the options are like more varied. I believe that you can go to like 10 or 15 minutes. But on the iPhone, you can only just make it a maximum of 5. I would not go to never, because you never know what can actually happen. You just leave your phone somewhere and just gonna be, the screen is gonna be on for like days, literally. So I would keep it at 5 minutes. But this is essentially where you can customize this section of this feature to make sure that your iPhone doesn't turn off automatically. But there isn't much else what I should like be telling you about. You of course have the always on display in case your iPhone supports it, but this is a little bit like a different thing. But it could also apply to this problem, because if you have the always on display, it essentially means that when you lock the display, it looks like this. You can see it right here. So yeah, it's something that it just like always makes sure that you show the screen. So yeah, it essentially never goes off. So it's up to you to decide how you want to use it, but these are all the things which I wanted to tell you about. Hope you found it useful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out until then.